Hi everybody and welcome back. So today we will be discussing about how to equip rock solid in black myth Wukong. So before we begin, consider subscribing to our channel, and if you haven't done that already, now diving onto the platform. So basically you're going to be heading over to a ridge. So let me show you which particular ridge, the wind ridge. Once you head over to there, you will be able to see the enemy, and the thought can be inflict shock, making things extremely difficult. So you're going to be trying to fight it eventually. To use your rock solid spell in myth is basically a different thing that we will covering as well. So make sure to head over to your wind ridge, and there you will be able to get your rock solid. And yeah, so basically I hope this was helpful. If you still need any help, you will be considering commenting down below, and I will be getting back to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already. Stay tuned and see you guys in the next video.